I'm fine, Rahul. And how about you?
I'm fine. Brother, are you free?
Yes, I am free. And what is going your study?
It's going fine, but I have a problem. I want to suggest with you.
Okay, why not? What's your problem?
Actually, as you know, I am going American every day. Mm, I used and you know that the timing of American is 3 to 5. But as you know that I'm going by taxi, and taxi usually take 1 hour from here to reach that coaching. And every day due to traffic and some after any day I'm waited for more than 15 to 20 minutes. That's why I usually late every day, and I reached coaching late every day. And sir also tell something like that, you are always late. So I feel insulted, and I think please brother, please purchase a bike for me.
Okay, Rahul, I'm understanding your word. But Rahul, you should understand something. Like I am the big son of our family. So when I was in my childhood, so I used to go to coaching and also a school by foot and by the taxi and bus also. So. I have the more liability of the family. We have the parents and the medicines also the take to our parents. And how to manage the high cost of the new bike. So after 6 months I will manage something. So can you manage the before 6 months all these condition?
No, brother, I don't ask you for a new bike. Purchase me a second hand or third hand also bike, but I need a bike. That's why I can manage these things. And at least you know that it take 1 hour by going by taxi, and it reduce the timing when I go to by bike. It will only take 15 to 20 minutes. That's why I will asking you.
Okay, I will purchase to you, and I can afford the purchasing of bike. But how much cost do you pay taxi every day? I usually it take 80 rupees, and for both side. And I just taking some knowledge. I study for that, and that if I buy a bike, then it take only 50 to 60 rupees. And I will go with my friend, and we can share the fuel cost of fuel. So it will take only 25 to 30 rupees per day for both side. So we can save money. And after purchasing bike, I think that the time I will save, I take some home tuitions, that I will purchase, I will earn some money, and I will help you. And I take I earn the cost of bike within 6 to 7 months. Please. Okay, so after listening your words, I will purchase the bike to you. But how can manage the petrol expense for the bike? Because if I'll purchase the bike to you, and in future you will call also me and my brother, I have no money to fill the petrol in my bike. So in coming future you will bother me for coming expenses?
No, as I say that I am searching for a tuition, that I will earn money from that. And I also share the cost of fuel with my friend. He also going to the American with me.
Okay, so I think so.
After 1 month I will pay you money, and you will purchase bike what do you want. And but before of 1 month, the cycle is standing standing in the house, so you will have to go with cycle, and this is good for your health. And after 1 month I will pay you money.
No, brother, it is not. Actually, you don't know. All of my friends, all of my batchmates come with bikes and car also. Sir will come with the car, and I feel some hesitate that I will go by taxi. And actually, I'm totally wet when I reach the American. All persons are looking for me that like that I'm alien. So please.
You are going to coaching for taking education or showing off?
No, actually, I told you that there are very another benefits, and actually, I don't tell you that any other reason.
Okay.
For bike, there is a girl studying with me in coaching. I want to impress that girl. Please.
Okay. So that is the your real problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will purchase for new bike.
Okay, thank you, bike.
Yes, do you want to say something?
Yes, I need 4500 rupees.
For what?
I take admission in this American.
Okay, but at this time I have no money. So at this time you take admission next month. I will give you next.
No, I take admission in this month because my friends admission in this month.
Okay, but sorry, sister. At this time, I didn't get my salary yet. So if you take admission next month, I will literally pay you. So please understand my problem due to some circumstances. I have no money at this time.
Okay.
Boss, he send a salary early, but I will try. But I know he didn't get my salary early.
Okay. I will manage.
Okay, then okay.
Please, I want to take admission.
Okay, then you ask our father for money.
Father is it outside.
He outside.
Father is outside.
Okay, then you ask for our mother because at this time really I have no money. So
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. I want to tell you that I want bike
Why?
because I want to go to American Institute.
I think last month I purchased the bike. I purchased bicycle for you, so you go to American for bicycle.
But I don't want the bicycle. I want the bike.
For what?
What?
Why you want bike?
Because all of my friends have bike. I don't have bike. That's why I want the bike.
You go American for study.
Yeah, but my friends told me that that you don't have a bike. That's why I want a bike.
But I have no money. What can I do?
So figure out some money.
How much money do you have?
I don't know. Go research, then purchase me a new one.
Which bike do you like?
I want the Pulsar.
Pulsar. And what cost Pulsar?
I don't know. Let's go to the showroom.
Okay. So now I have no money. Next month I think I arrange the money for your bike. Then I purchased the bike for you.
Okay. Are you telling the truth or are you telling a lie?
I'm trying my best, but it's not sure for I arrange the money.
So tell me sure because I want the bag.
I'm a businessman in this profession. Not sure. I can't not speak the truth for you. I can purchase the bike for you. So when I arrange the money, then I call you and we go for purchase the bike.
Okay, thank you.